In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google to Hostinger. If you want to make your Hostinger account easier to access, linking your Google account is a simple and convenient option. This can help speed up the login process in the future, since you'll be able to sign in using Google instead of entering your login details manually each time. The setup only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. From that menu, select Account Info. This will take you to the section where you can manage important settings related to your account, including login and security options. Once you're on the Account Info page, look for the area labeled Social Logins. This is where Hostinger allows you to connect supported accounts for faster sign-in. Under Social Logins, find the option for Google and click the link button next to it. As soon as you do that, a Google sign-in window should appear. At this point, you'll either need to log into your Google account, or if you're already signed in on your device, simply choose the Google account you want to connect. After selecting the correct Google account and approving the connection if prompted, the linking process will be completed automatically. That's it. Your Google account is now linked to your Hostinger account. As a quick tip, make sure you're linking the correct Google account that you plan to use regularly. This will help avoid confusion later when signing in. Also, if the Google sign-in window doesn't appear right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt the process. Linking your Google account is a small step, but it can make signing in much more convenient and streamlined. Now, the next time you access Hostinger, you may have the option to log in using Google, which can save time and simplify account access. And that's all you need to do to link Google to Hostinger.